Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make an easy side dish for chapati. Boil 4 cups of water in a pan and add 1 cup of soya chunks and a little salt. Stir well and cook it over low flame for 2 minutes. Cover it with the lid and turn off the flame. Keep it aside for 20 minutes. Now drain the water. Wash the soya chunks 3 to 4 times. Squeeze it well and keep it aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pressure cooker over medium flame. Now add a small piece of cinnamon, 1 star anise, 2 cardamom pods, 4 cloves and 1 bay leaf. Saute this for a few seconds and add 2 slit green chillies, 1 sprig of curry leaves, 3 finely sliced onions and a little salt. When it turns translucent, add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute this for some time and add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Saute this for a few seconds and add 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Cook it over medium flame till the tomatoes become soft. When the tomatoes become soft, add the soya chunks, a little salt and half a cup of water. Mix well. Now place a lid and cook it over medium flame. Turn off the flame after 2 whistles. When the pressure comes down, open the cooker. Now add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Now it is ready to serve. This will go well with chapati, puri, roti, idli or dosa. Please try it out and post your feedback.